Did you know that you can effectively lose weight while enjoying your coffee? I imagine you may not believe it because I had my doubts too, but when I started using this method, I was amazed at what I experienced. For those who are not aware, the coffee loophole weight loss is a natural and effective approach to promote weight loss and boost metabolic health while drinking coffee. The application of this method is very simple. Just take a capsule with your morning coffee, no matter the type or additions you prefer. This capsule turns your coffee into the most powerful weight loss solution. As soon as you take the first sip, the capsule immediately starts working, stimulating your metabolism and providing clear and sustained concentration and energy. Please note that this is a completely natural method, based on scientific study, and has already been used by thousands of people who all report significant weight loss results. So if, like me, you prefer to lose weight effectively while drinking coffee, I recommend trying this method. For a thorough understanding of how this method works and the necessary information to get started, please visit the official website. The link is available in the video description and the first pinned comment. Pay close attention to all the information as it is crucial to help you achieve the body you desire.